Hi, I'm Sharon Bulova, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, and I'd like to share with you some highlights for our next board meeting on Tuesday, March 24th. The board will vote on providing a Fairfax Connector shuttle for Wolf Trap performances in Vienna. We will also vote on approving Fairfax Connector bus service changes in the Herndon, Reston, Springfield, and Tysons areas. These service changes would be implemented on May the 16th of this year. The board will also be presented with a biannual transportation status report. This will include updates on all active transportation projects in the county. The status report will be posted on the Fairfax County Department of Transportation, FCDOT, website following the board's review. Finally, we're in the middle of the fiscal year 2016 budget process. The county executive has advertised a budget built around the current tax rate of $1.09 per $100 of assessed value. When it comes time to mark up or make changes to the advertised budget on April 21st, it's important that the Board of Supervisors has the benefit of your thoughts. When we adopt the budget, we are investing in the priorities of our community, and it is important that the community is at the table with us during this process. You will have an opportunity to testify about the budget at public hearings on April 7th, 8th, and 9th. And prior to April, there will be many budget forums and town meetings. I hope you will participate in this important process. To view the full agenda, visit fairfaxcounty.gov and click on Board of Supervisors. Thanks so much for watching and for your interest in Fairfax County government.